I'm working out, guys, because I'm having my knee surgery. So I'm here in this awesome garage that they've insulated drywall, power, heat lamps, and they've got their own little home gym here. They've got a treadmill, they've got weights. This is such a great area, home gym. If you're stuck working at home, you can set up a home office here. So Stu Sells Seam's brand new listing. Now we're down here in the valley. I love the valley. The valley is like one of the biggest hidden gems of the city because you've got the Humber River, you've got the bike trail, you have so many parks, trails, and you're still in the city, but you feel like you're at the cottage. And we have this gorgeous home that we're bringing to market, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful, stunning new kitchen, gorgeous ceramic tiles, center island, beautiful hardwood floors, 3 great sized bedrooms, a beautiful bathroom, and you have this great big backyard, 2 decks. You can have a dining deck, a lounging deck. You got lots of grass for the kids to play. You back onto big fields of other neighbors. Like, the great thing about the valley is you're not like boom, 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 boom on top of each other. So look, whew, I'm out of breath, Jesus. Okay, go to StuSells.ca. You can see all the photos, video, virtual tour. Matt's gonna take some pictures. I'm gonna stay here and keep working out because the house is staged and ready to go. And if you want a tour, just give me Stu a call and I'll give you a personal tour.